about the ceiling fans. How does ceiling fan works? As the air in the blades are going up and the watt fan comes over down and the air goes over here. Now if you want more facts about the ceiling fan, let us get into the video. What are the uses of ceiling fans? Ceiling fans have a multiple function. It is fans increase a ventilation space and home hygienic environment to the conditions. Moving air is a prefers tangent air, especially in the warm or the neutral useful in the increasing opacement precipitation. Ceiling fans can be controlled together in the shared place and can also personally controlled in an office setting. Personally, they are controlled ceiling fans have a significant positive impact on the comfort. They use ceiling fans to give more cold air. Now the directions. The direction that the fan spin is in the 360 ion output. Yet mostly commonly electrical switch on the thing, a switch housing, motor housing or lower canopy can help both heating and cooling. This may help too in the summer season. It will do the heating, and in the colder season it will do the cooling. Most fans are made in the mid-1970s. They are non-reversible or mechanically reversible. They have a blade pitch instead of an electrical reversible motor. In the mid-70s, there are no spinning motors in reverse. It will spin in only one direction. And here is the first ever fan it is made. And it was made in 1930, and this fan is still in the museum. You can see in the museum, this is the oldest fan made up of wings in wood. And here's a motor, and it also has a pipe connection or wire connection. Now the history behind is the Punka style ceiling fans based on the earliest form of fan, which was first invented in India around 500 BC. There were 6 forms of an India palm leaf, which formed its a rather large blade moving the pendular manner. Originally operated manually by a cord, and nowadays powered electrical using a belt-driven system. These punkas move around by going to the fro. In comparison, in a more rotating fan, it has a gentle breeze than a rather airflow. Now, a modern ceiling fan has an electric motor and the blades, also called the pedals, then the blade arms, the blade holders, then the plastic flywheels may become the brittle and break, and then they connect with the motor. As you can see, it connects with the motor. This has a blade plate, the down rod, a housing cover, a motor and a washer and a blade and pull up switch. As you can see, here's down rod. The down rod is suspend the fan ceiling. Downwards become the length and width depending on the fan type. The decorative in custom for the motor known as the motor housing. This is also called a motor housing. A switch housing is a switch cup. A switch cup, also known as a nose column, metal or plastic cylinder mounted and the center of the fan's motor. The switch housing in the commercial various components, which was including wires, capacitors, and switch housing also makes convenient place to mount a light kit. And here is the housing cover. Then how this blades gives us air. Blades badges, decorative ornaments are attached to the underside of the blades of the purpose concealing the screws used to the blades rotate and operating any lamps that may be present. Now today we have seen about the types of fans and its uses, and the first fan and the parts of a fan. Thank you guys. Let me see you in the next video. Bye bye.